How to use secured credit card to rebuild credit. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a secured credit card to rebuild your credit. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to use a secured credit card to rebuild your credit, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Choose the right secured credit card. Look for a card with minimal fees and reasonable interest rates. Make sure the card reports to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Check if the required deposit fits your budget and if there's an option to upgrade to an unsecured card later. Step 2. Fund the deposit. Provide a refundable deposit to secure your card. This deposit often determines your credit limit and typically ranges from $50 to $300 or more. Step 3. Make on time payments. Always pay your statement balance in full and on time to avoid fees and interest. Payment history is crucial as it accounts for 35% of your credit score. Step 4. Keep your credit utilization ratio low. Use only a small portion of your available credit to maintain a healthy credit utilization ratio. Aim to keep this ratio below 30% to positively impact your credit score. Step 5. Monitor your credit report and activity. Regularly check your credit reports to ensure accurate reporting by lenders. Use free resources like annualcreditreport.com to access your reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Step 6. Upgrade to an unsecured credit card. After consistent on-time payments, check if your card issuer offers an upgrade to an unsecured card. This transition can help you build even more credit while getting your security deposit refunded. So that's how you can use a secured credit card to rebuild your credit. That's all for this video.